Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. If you are new, welcome, and welcome back if you are not new. So it's Vlogmas here over on my channel, and today we're doing things a little bit different. We're just gonna do a sit down type of video, but first let me change my little countdown because there are only 2 days left till Christmas. So let me change that. So there are 2 days left until Christmas, and if you watched my video from yesterday, then you will know that I picked up a few new things from Ulta, and I want to try them out and see if I can get a cute holiday look with them. So the products that I picked up, I wanted them because I want to try and get my makeup to be as matte as possible without looking dry and flaky. Y'all get what I'm putting down? Y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Like, that's what I'm trying to get my makeup to look like, and I want it to last longer because normally I'm a dewy type of girl, natural finish type of girl, but I've noticed that it starts to wear off after a while, and like my oils start to seep through after about an hour, 2 hours, and I have to keep blotting. So I wanted to move on over to the matter side of things and see if I can make this work with my dry skin. Now, first things first is to moisturize. So I'm gonna be moisturizing my face with my Even Skin face cream from Ancient Cosmetics and my Brightening C face oil from them as well. I'm gonna really get into my skin and moisturize because, like I said, I have dry skin, but on top of me already having dry skin, it's getting colder and the air is getting extremely dry. So I want to make sure my face is moisturized underneath these mattifying products. Now I'm just gonna go in with some primer. It's the Maybelline Master Prime, and this has SPF 30 in it. Y'all comment below if y'all have any good primers. So I've been using this primer for the past 2 years. So my face is feeling really plump, really moisturized, okay? You can see the oils and all of that. Really dewy, very, very dewy. All right, so I got my sponge. This is my Real Technique sponge. Why is my little burn right there? A little pimple, just a little one. I don't know what that's about, but I'm fiddling because I don't know what to put on first. I've seen a lot of people putting on the powder first before applying their foundation. First person I ever seen do that was Jackie Aina. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Take my sponge, dip it in my powder. It's a fresh sponge and it just got dirty. I don't know how I feel about that. I did that. Now I'm about to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I got the color 330, which is toffee. I'm normally 330 in the dewy and smooth, I think it's called, foundation. So I just went with it for this one. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna start with this much, and then we're gonna work our way through. Y'all, why am I nervous? Hold up, wait a minute. Okay, I'm into the mirror like this. All right, let's get it. Okay, color. I feel like on camera it's picking up a little orange, but it doesn't look that way at all in the mirror. It might just be the lights. It's really orange. I don't know why it's so orange on camera, but I'm gonna keep going. And I also need another pump because that wasn't enough. Okay, so one pump, the first pump, I don't think it was a full pump because the bottle is new. But the second pump was definitely way too much. Only used like a quarter of it for the rest of my face. This is what my face looks like. This is it. I don't even know if you could tell the difference. And I really don't like how it's coming off orange on this camera. Like, why is it doing that? I don't know. I'll have to show y'all what it looks like in natural lighting later on, but this is my face right now. I'm gonna move on to concealer. I'm not gonna show you guys this part because I didn't get any new concealer. I'm going in with my e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer. This has a satin finish and it's in tan neutral. So I'm gonna just go in with that bad boy, or this bad boy, and then I'll be back. Concealer's on. It's picking up super duper. Wait a minute, because I gotta fix this light, because no, it got me out here looking like my stuff don't match any do. Okay, is it any less orange? Anyway, I don't know how y'all thinking it's looking right now. It doesn't look like the actual color on this camera. I can say that. However, I'm gonna continue because now, am I gonna go in with this? To be honest with you, matte finishing powder, I don't really know how to use it. I think I put it over my face when I'm finished everything. I'm gonna use this powder and put it under my eyes. I think that's how it go. And then I use the finishing powder over my entire face with my big fluffy brush. Yeah, that's how we gonna do that. Ooh, child. Do I feel a little dry? Please look at my... Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go in with a bit of eyeshadow because this is supposed to be like a little holiday little look. So I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow just to look a little pop of festive. And I'll be back and we're gonna finish up the face and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I'm done, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like in natural lighting. And I'm gonna try to compare it with the old way, or the old way, how I used to do my makeup, or what I've been using for my makeup. That's better. What I've been using for my makeup, so we can see the difference. And then we'll do a wear test and I'll come back later on tonight and show you what it looks like after basically a full day of wear. So let me do my eyeshadow and I'll be right back. I just did this little eyeshadow look. I don't even know if I like it for real. I don't normally do all this glitter and stuff, but whatever. I'm not an eyeshadow expert. It is what it is. Now I'm about to move on to the eyes. And I picked up this Ultimate Lashes Waterproof Mascara from the Ulta Beauty collection. And I'm about to get into it. I like me some mascara, so let's see. Oh, you can see the difference already. This eye has a little bit of swag on it. Oh, I like. I'ma take it home with me. Both eyes have mascara on them, and to be honest, I like it. I was gonna do lashes today, but I don't think I am. I don't think I'm gonna do lashes today. I'm gonna just keep it like this because, what is this? Because I think it looks good like this. Me close up. The eyeshadow could use some work, okay? Definitely could use some work. Do not judge me on the eyeshadow. I should have just not even fooled with it. But everything else kind of cool. Now we're about to apply this matte finishing powder and see how she does. Okay, let me open it. It doesn't come with instructions. I guess I'm just supposed to know. But it is. I got the color Tan Warm. I probably should have gotten the color Tan Warm Deep, but then again, this might be okay for me. I'm just gonna dip it in here and just go over my face. It's a finishing powder, so my guess is that it's just supposed to finish everything off. Just lock everything in, kind of like a finishing spray, but in powder form. Is it form? I can get jiggy with the matte, okay, because when I look up close, it's like just flawless. Like there's no type of oil or anything, but it doesn't look dry. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't look dry. It don't look like I could just peel my skin off, which is great. The last step is to apply my setting spray. And I don't know if this is gonna be overkill. I really hope it's not, but we will see. This is the point of this video, to test it out. I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And these ain't even have tops in the Ulta. On top of this thing being super duper small, they didn't even have tops on them. None of them. I don't know what that's about, but anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on my face. Alright, I'm gonna apply a little bit of highlight because why not? Alright, I'm starting to go crazy with the highlight. Let me give it a break, give it a rest as I apply more. I feel like this highlight is looking much better on matte skin. Like, it's pretty when it's dewy, but it also looks kind of like sweaty in a way when my skin is dewy. But right now it's doing something on the mat. It's doing something a little bit different and I like it. My face feels good. It doesn't feel super dry. It doesn't feel tight. I feel it like locked in, like right here. It doesn't feel uncomfortable though. And so I could do this. This is the final look. I took my twist out. I didn't fluff it too much because this gotta last, okay? This gotta last so I'm able to get my hair done. If y'all saw the last video, then you know. But this is the final look. This is what my face is looking like. I like it. My face feels good. I think me applying the face cream and the face oil before applying all the mattifying products really helped my skin to be moisturized and not feel dry right now. It feels so good. It looks amazing. It looks good on camera, but it looks amazing in person. Like, I'm looking at my mirror right now. It's something about the in person. Like, this looks great. Okay, great. Now that is the end of this portion. I'm gonna go ahead and run my little errands for the day, and I'll be back at the end of the day so we can see how well this makeup holds up. So it's been how many hours? About 6-7 hours later, and this is what my face looks like. As you can see, there is some shine there. There's shine there. Also, I had my mask on and everything. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Like, if I took a little paper towel, I got one right here, and just did a little blot. Like, it still look good. Look at that. Still looks good. Doesn't look bad at all. Needs a bit of blotting, but I will say I've been in the heat, child. Since it's so cold outside, the heat is on high, all of that good stuff. But I went out, ran some errands and everything, had my mask on for a good like 2 hours. And yeah, this is what my face looks like. I absolutely am pleased with the products I purchased. I love the mattifying effect. It doesn't make my skin feel uncomfortably dry. My skin isn't flaky or anything like that. Like, it looks really, really good. And especially in person. Like I said, it looks kind of different here on camera. It still looks good on camera, but it looks even better in person. So that is that. Still not a fan of this eyeshadow, but it is what it is. I'm about to wash this off right now and get ready to get in the video because your girl is tired. But that is the end of this video. I wanted to show you guys what everything looks like. Excuse me. And yeah, so I'm about to call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is kind of new for me. I ain't never really done a video like this before. But anyway, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave some comments down below and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.